Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to unbox this 1x18 diecast model of Volkswagen T-Cross or Taigun. It is a compact SUV by Volkswagen which is also recently launched in India, and this is a fully openable licensed model, and I bought this model from scaleartsn.com. I'll provide their website link in the description of this video. So if you are not already, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and let's get back to the video.